Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5 stars on your food in Heartopia. Basically, you're going to want to use amazing seasoning. So go to Masimo or Massimo, I don't know how to pronounce it. And you're just going to purchase the amazing seasoning. I'll purchase 10. It is quite expensive, I must say. You are able to use stars, but I don't really want to waste my stars. So here I'm just going to go back home and basically you are going to use it to cook because it's going to help you get 5 stars on your meal. It worked for me just now, so I'm trying to get stars on my on the winter meals. So let's try it out. So let's go here first and see. I don't have 5 stars and everything. So the latte and the pancakes and the banquet, I haven't gotten 5 stars. So let's cook some pancakes with the amazing seasoning. Of course, we're going to want to use that and use that a lot on all of the pancakes and one of these meals, hopefully, or in a few more meals, you will get 5 stars on it by just adding the amazing seasoning. You won't get it on the first few tries, as you can see, but as you can see on the third try, I got it. I got 5 stars. So yeah, it is tedious and quite expensive to get 5 stars on food. You are able to get it randomly even without the amazing seasoning, but it is faster. So yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!